Hey everybody, welcome back to the shed. And this video here was taken a while back, and there's some parts that are missing because I initially was not going to record it at all. I was in a hurry to put this system together. Essentially what I'm doing is mounting four Renogy 100D-SS panels, which are the Renogy 100 watt rigid panels, to a bracket system that consists of some EcoWorthy adjustable brackets and some other different types of channels that I picked up at the channels and hardware that I picked up at Lowe's. Anywho, it went together pretty well, and I decided finally to go ahead and edit this video and get it in motion. So without further ado, excuse my nose picking and rambling on, but hopefully this video is not too long for you. And, thanks for checking in. Let's go ahead and check this out, though. All right, so I haven't been recording much lately, even though I'm still thinking of, different instructional videos in the future. But I decided most of the way through this project I should record a little bit and share. What I'm doing today is I'm working on a bracket system, a mount system for some small solar panels, and let me show you what I'm up to. Okay, so this is kind of a bigger picture here. We have these triangle brackets with the adjustable knobs and holes. Those are EcoWorthy solar mounting brackets. They're about 41 inches long on the top, which is most important to me. I can get two panels, or one panel or two per set, really, depending on how I arrange it. And basically, that's kind of like the full package right there. We've got, the hand screw on one side, and then the locking nut on the other side. Whoops. And of course, that is the main support system right there. Now, again, just to reiterate, we're using this channel here. And I forget the name of this channel here, but basically it works with different types of fasteners, like a nylon cone nut. Here's a little kit that I put together, an assortment of parts and stuff, so I can do this job smoothly. Okay, so what we're up to right now is we're just going to put another one of those base supports on there that screws through the top of the pergola. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, using our half slot channel lock that I picked up down at Lowe's, you can see that this kind of slips in, and then you turn it and it goes right into place there. Now for this application, I'm going to turn it over and center it in the center of the strut here. Okay, let's do a quick install on this. Insert the nut. Nut is inserted. I already have a marking on here of about where I want this, on top of the pergola for safety's sakes. Got the bolt, lock washer, then a flat washer. Get her down in there, get her started up. Okay, take a quick measurement, butting up against the base support to the end of the bottom bracket is 7 1/2. We'll just kind of like eyeball it kind of square. And then typically I'd put a couple more end caps on it, but I ran out. No, I didn't. I'm good. Hold on. Let's do this. There's that. I don't have enough to finish though. Okay, now I like things that look professional and clean. So that's the nice thing about these channel struts is that there's parts that come with it to make it look clean. It's an industrial implement. So I have these little end caps here. You see they got like a barbed tab, if you want to call it that. They slide right in there. And then I basically take my finish hammer. Nice little tap in there. Just nice and gentle, you see? Fits right in. I like to do both sides. All the channel ends will get an end cap. Okay, so you can see that along the top of the channel there, both top and bottom, we've got some more of those nylon cone inserts, nut inserts, whatever you want to call them. And that'll through the back of the panel and into that insert. Okay, so for me, just to match the system I have, I bought these Renogy 100 watt panels, the 100D-SS, times 2 is what the X2 is. I have 4 of them. I'm going to save you guys the unboxing approach. I mean, fuck, we're just taking some shit out of a box and we'll get right to the install. Okay, so there's the panel out. We're going to attach it to the top of the bracket system. There's the front of the panel. And the back, of course, you know, multiple holes, everything else. Pretty good, pretty good. Again, this is a Renogy panel. And I know, guys, I got the other ones in direct sunlight right now, but I don't plan on hooking them up, so they're safe to work with. Okay, kind of looking up from underneath the brackets. We're going to go ahead and mount a panel now. I've got some bolts with the lock washer and screw and all that. Lock washer and flat washer and bolt. All kind of ready to rock and roll. I cannot get a focus on that to save me. I don't know what's going on. Anywho, you'll get the point. Okay, we can take a little wrench. All right, we just want to snug it up right now. We still have some adjusting. Oh, wrong size wrench anyways. We still have some adjusting to do. Okay, so there's the array that I set up. I haven't connected them together yet. Will be connected in series. I'll wait till it's all mounted and stuff first, just to keep the wires kind of nice and tight there. Okay, let's let it down. Okay, this is the current position according to the sun's arc right now in relationship to the hemisphere. I got the middle started out because I'm actually going to flatten these out all the way and fasten them together just for easy transportation, if you want to call it that way, or transferring up to the pergola up there. You can see the corner of the other solar array. Okay, I'm going to try to get these panels up by myself. I've got the array built and can't seem to recruit anybody, but I got to get her done because I don't like waiting around. So see if it goes okay.
hot dog.
Hot dog?
Yeah, the leftover yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it's one. One for mama, one for me. I'm gonna put this to garbage first, Dada.
What's that, baby? I like it. I like it, my friend. Okay, that's like bringing back a little bit of my house building experience there. Getting to be tougher as I get older, though. But we got her up there. Stay tuned.
Okay, here's the back side of the pergola and the panels. I have 8 in total, 2 strings of 4.
Okay, so there's a summary of the project, and at this point I have 2 strings of 4 panels apiece in the total array. The 2 strings each are hooked in series, and then the 2 strings are hooked in parallel together, and then that single line comes back to the controller up here. Doo-doo. At any rate, it works really well. This time of year, we're in the dead of the winter. We're getting towards the shortest day of the year, and it's still recovering with basic use and not, using the system too hard. It's got time to charge and recharge, and I've got a big enough battery supply to make it over the cloudy days, it seems like. Summertime, other times of the year, I've got more sun than I need, more power than I need. It is a good system. Again, for Renogy, for those of you that are not a big fan of Renogy, I'm not sure why. It's done nothing but work great for me. A couple hiccups along the way. Once those are smoothed out, it's a good, solid, stable system. And thanks for checking in, guys. Catch you in the next video.